Welcome to Lesson 1 on Data Communication, where we will explore analog versus digital signals. This is a fundamental concept in how all technology works. By the end of this video, you will be able to define data communication, distinguish between analog and digital signals, compare their advantages and disadvantages, and explain modulation and demodulation, all using Nigerian examples. When you make a call on mountain, how does your voice travel? Our voices are analog signals, but modern phones use digital signals. This video will show how this conversion happens and why it is important. Data communication is the process of transferring data between devices through a medium. It requires a sender, an encoder, a transmission medium, a decoder, and a receiver, working together to move the message. Analog signals are continuous, smooth sine waves, like the sound of clapping. They are measured by amplitude and frequency, but they are easily distorted by noise or interference, which is why older radio broadcasts often had static. Digital signals are discrete, using only two values, 0 or 1. They are represented as sharp square waves. Digital signals are less susceptible to noise, are easier to encrypt, and are used for modern systems like WhatsApp and 4G mobile data. Comparing the two, analog signals are continuous, but degrade over distance and are noisy. Digital signals are discrete, maintain quality over long distances, and are easy to store. Nigeria's communication has largely transitioned from analog, such as NITEL landlines, to digital, like Mountain 4G. Since older systems and radio waves use analog signals, digital data must be converted. Modulation converts digital to analog, and demodulation converts analog back to digital. The device that performs both is called a modem. An example is a USB modem converting your laptop's digital data to analog radio signals for the mobile network. The key takeaways are: data communication moves information via a medium. Analog uses continuous waves. Digital uses zeros and ones and is more reliable. Modems are essential for internet access. Nigeria's shift from NITEL to Mountain/GLO 4G/5G shows the move to digital communication. Now test your understanding by classifying these systems as analog or digital. Consider the nature of the signal. Is it continuous or discrete, like zeros and ones? For your assignment, find one example of analog communication still used in Nigeria and explain why. Also, draw a diagram of a WhatsApp voice notes journey, labeling the sender, encoding, transmission medium, decoding, and receiver. Remember these common misconceptions. Digital means discrete, 0 over 1, not necessarily faster. Also, digital signals do not always mean internet. They can travel over various physical mediums without needing the internet. Finally, a cyber safety tip. Modern digital communication can be intercepted, which is why strong encryption, like WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption, is essential for keeping your messages secure.